Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show the alternative calendar on the calendar application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application calendars which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Calendars application. Enter to open up the application. And now, as you can see, we have the calendar in English. The task of this tutorial is to bring the alternative calendars. So how do we do that? Let's just go to the top navigation menu. Go to Calendar, go to Preferences, and on the bottom of the screen of this general window, we have Show Alternative Calendar. If I now click on this, we are presented with Chinese. We can switch to Hebrew. We can also switch to Islamic. And so then we would know the first day of the month using these alternative calendars. We can not choose to show the alternatives calendar. If we wish to, we can tick to show yes. So let's now close out to general, quit calendar. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.